Welcome to Lingala Institute. My name is Jonas Lusa. This Lingala lesson is about Mbula is year in Lingala. Mbula oyo tuza ezoleka ndenge nini? How is your current year? Obombeli biso nini pona mbula oyo ezoya? Obombeli biso nini pona mbula oyo ezoya? What do you have planned for next year? Okoki oloba pona yomoko to pona orchestre mobimba. You can talk about yourself or the whole band. Okolia bonane awa to okokende libanda ya mboka. Okolia bonane awa to okokende libanda ya mboka. Are you going to spend New Year here or you will be going out of town? Nakolia Noel awa kasi bonane ekokutanga na Lusaka. I will spend Christmas here but New Year will find me in Lusaka. Nakolia Noel awa kasi bonane ekokutanga na Lusaka. I will spend Christmas here, but New Year will find me in Lusaka. Thanks a lot. Please like this video. I am currently working on the free ebook that I promised. It will be sent to everyone through Google Plus on the 23rd of December. Thank you so much.